Hi everyone, welcome to Lakeism channel, where you can find daily living Q&A. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell below for more videos to come.
Hi Susan. Hi Christy. Come in. I purposely came to you to ask you something. Please come in so that we can talk well. Let's sit. What can I do for you? I know you had been teaching before, and you might have taught your students about different ways for a better sleep. You know, sometimes I have problems sleeping at night. Maybe you have something to say about this. Well, there are some ways to do for a better sleep, such as listening to sounds, music, rainfall, ocean waves. Breathing exercises can also help you sleep well. You can watch these at Lakeism channel in YouTube. I'll do that. Is there any other way for me to do, so that I can easily sleep at night? There is. I want to share you one thing. One way you can do for a better sleep is by drinking banana water. How is that? Okay, here is the instruction. Prepare 2 to 3 bananas and wash well, and cut the ends. Chop the bananas, maybe 1-inch size. Then boil 1 to 1.5 liter of water. Upon boiling, put the bananas, and boil for 10 minutes. Take note, don't remove the banana peelings. What kind of banana do you recommend? I prefer the Cavendish banana, because it's not hard to find. Okay. After boiling for 10 minutes, remove the bananas from the water. You can add some cinnamon to it. Does cinnamon help in the process to a better sleep? Well, you know, spikes or large increase in blood sugar levels contribute to sleeplessness, and cinnamon regulates blood sugar levels. Spikes in blood sugar levels increase after eating, especially if the meal was particularly sweet. I see, I understood. Let's continue. Drink 1 glass of this remedy an hour before going to bed. Do it for at least 15 days. What are the effects or results for drinking this banana water? In short, the benefits. That is a good question, Christy. The following are the benefits of this banana water that would finally put us to sleep in a short time. First, our body will absorb 10% of potassium on a daily basis. It's a mineral that works as a muscle relaxant, thus helping us to sleep easily. Second, 12% magnesium of the daily intake for women, and 9% of the daily intake for men. This magnesium also helps relax muscles. Third, it contains amino acid called L-tryptophan that helps produce serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin is a sleep-promoting neurotransmitter, while melatonin is known as the sleep hormone. And lastly, banana water has no side effects, unlike sleeping pills that you buy over the counter. Sometimes it causes dizziness, weakness, constipation, stomach pain, and it's addictive. Okay, I will try this remedy. Anyway, it's not hard to prepare and not time-consuming. Yeah, try it. You can combine with those other ways that I have mentioned you earlier, listening to sound and breathing exercises. You will experience and choose which is best for you. Leaving this topic, I wonder if you have time this month or next month, before the winter comes. How about having a picnic with some of our friends in one of these days? We will schedule it. That is a nice idea, Susan. Just get in touch with me and we'll pursue that plan. Okay, I'll get in touch with you later. I still have to message the others. Well, I have to go now. Thank you very much for sharing me the banana water. See you later. Bye. No problem. See you. Bye.